So hi, now we will discuss the summary for chapter 8. Chapter 8 Broadcast Domains. In an Ethernet LAN, devices use broadcast to locate other devices. A device uses Address Resolution Protocol or ARP, which sends layer 2 broadcast to a known IPv4 address on the local network to discover the associated MAC address. Services. A host typically acquired its IPv4 address configuration using the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol or the DHCP, which sends broadcast on the local network to locate a DHCP server. Switches propagate broadcast out all interfaces except the interface on which it was received. For example, if a switch were to receive a broadcast, it would forward it to the other switches and other users connected in the network. Routers do not propagate broadcast. When a router receives a broadcast, it doesn't forward it out other interfaces. For instance, when R1 receives a broadcast on its Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 interface, it doesn't forward out another interface. Therefore, each router interface connects a broadcast domain, and broadcasts are only propagated within its specific broadcast domain. Problems with large broadcast domains. A large broadcast domain is a network that connects many hosts. A problem with a large broadcast domain is that these hosts can generate excessive broadcasts and negatively affect the network. LAN 1 connects 400 users that could generate broadcast traffic resulting in slow network operations due to the significant amount of traffic it can use. Slow device operations because a device must accept and process each broadcast packets. The solution is to reduce the size of the network to create smaller broadcast domains in a process called subnetting. These layered network spaces are called subnets. Note: the term subnet and network are often used interchangeably. Most networks are a subnet of some larger address blocks. Reasons for subnetting. Subnetting reduces overall network traffic and improves network performance. It also enables an administrator to implement security policies such as which subnets are allowed or not allowed to communicate together. There are various ways of using subnets to help manage network devices. Network administrators can group devices and services into subnets that are determined by location, such as floors in a building, organizational unit, and device type, any other division that makes sense for the network. So this chapter describes how subnetting is performed. Understanding how to subnet networks is a fundamental skill that all network administrators must develop. Various methods have been developed to help understand this process. This chapter will focus on looking at the binary method. Although a little overwhelming at first, focus and pay close attention to the detail, and with practice, subnetting should become easier. So now we are done for the chapter 8 summary. Thank you for watching.